Welcome to a new video about why you still have bad breath, even after brushing. Ancient secret revealed. Hey there, health warriors. Welcome to Earthluxe, your go-to spot for embracing vibrant living and smart wellness tips to help you thrive naturally. Today's topic? It's a little embarrassing, but super important. Have you ever brushed your teeth, flossed, rinsed with mouthwash, only to wake up the next morning with bad breath anyway? You check yourself in the mirror, you breathe into your hands, and there it is. That unpleasant odor you thought you defeated last night. It's frustrating, embarrassing, and confusing. Because if you're doing everything right, why does it keep happening? What if I told you? The real problem isn't in your teeth. It's hiding further back than you think, at the root of your tongue. The hidden culprit. Most people believe bad breath comes from poor brushing habits, cavities, or even digestion issues. But there's a little-known cause that's often completely overlooked. It's the root of your tongue. The deepest part, way in the back. This area often accumulates a thick whitish layer overnight. It's not just leftover food or bacteria. It's a buildup of toxins and decaying material. And it's quietly creating a breeding ground for bad breath, no matter how much you brush. What your tongue reveals about you. You're sitting in the doctor's office. They ask you to say, "Ah," and stick out your tongue. Ever wonder why? It's not just routine. Your tongue is more than just a muscle for talking and tasting. It's one of the clearest windows into your internal health, and it often shows signs of trouble before you feel anything else. That white coating on the surface? It might look harmless, but it could point to a sluggish digestive system, yeast overgrowth, or even a nutrient deficiency. A pale tongue could mean low iron or poor blood circulation. Bright red with a smooth texture. That's sometimes linked to B12 or folate deficiency. Cracks, swelling, unusual colors. These aren't just cosmetic issues. They're signals. In traditional Chinese medicine, the tongue is divided into zones that reflect your organs, like a map of your body. And modern medicine is starting to pay more attention too. Your thyroid, your heart, your kidneys, even your immune system can leave clues right on your tongue. Yet most people never check it. And if they do, they don't know what they're looking at. Waking up with a coated tongue or foul breath might feel normal, but it could be your body quietly waving a red flag. So the next time you brush your teeth, take a closer look. Because sometimes, the first sign of something serious is right there in your mouth, waiting to be seen. Ancient wisdom, tongue cleaning. Thousands of years ago, long before toothbrushes, toothpaste, or mouthwash, people discovered something powerful about the mouth. In ancient India, tongue scraping wasn't just a hygiene habit. It was a sacred ritual, practiced at dawn as part of dinacharya, the daily Ayurvedic routine to align the body with nature. Every morning, before food, before water, they would reach for a U-shaped scraper, crafted from copper, silver, or even gold. Why metal? Because these materials were believed to have natural antibacterial properties. Some used twigs from the neem or babel tree, nature's own toothbrushes, cleverly split to create makeshift scrapers that not only cleaned the tongue but also supported gum health. But here's the deeper truth. This wasn't just about fresh breath. In Ayurveda, the tongue is seen as the gateway to the digestive system. And that white coating? A sign of ama, a toxic buildup caused by poor digestion. Scraping it off was believed to not only cleanse the mouth, but to stimulate internal organs, awaken the senses, and support the body's natural detox pathways. Modern science is catching up, showing that regular tongue scraping can reduce harmful bacteria, improve taste, and even support better gut health. So while it might seem like a small step, It's one of the most ancient, powerful ways to start your day in tune with your body. The forgotten technique, Jiva Mul Shodhan. But there's an even deeper practice, one hardly anyone talks about today. It's called Jiva Mul Shodhan, which means cleansing the root of the tongue. Here's how it works. After brushing your teeth and lightly scraping your tongue, you bring your index and middle fingers together. Clean, of course. Then, gently reach toward the root of the tongue, as far back as you can, without straining. You softly rub the base, removing the mucus, toxins, and stagnant debris that builds up overnight. Just 2 or 3 gentle strokes. You might feel a slight gag reflex. And that's not a mistake. It's part of the method. That brief gag, it stimulates the vagus nerve, which connects your brain to your gut. This simple act can kickstart digestion, improve bowel movements, and awaken your parasympathetic nervous system, the one responsible for rest, repair, and detoxification. For centuries, this practice was seen as a way to reset the body each morning, clearing not just the mouth, but preparing the entire digestive system for the day ahead. It might feel strange at first, but what begins as discomfort quickly transforms into clarity as the body learns to respond, release, and renew. An extra boost, oral massage. And there's one more technique to supercharge these benefits. Take your thumb and gently massage the roof of your mouth, moving from front to back, reaching toward the uvula, the small dangling piece at the back of your throat. Move side to side lightly, and then rinse again. This boosts blood circulation in your mouth, strengthens oral tissues, and enhances your sense of taste. The transformation, what happens next? If you commit to these simple practices every morning, just for a week, you'll start noticing incredible changes. You'll wake up feeling cleaner, fresher, and more energized. Your mouth won't feel dry or stale. That dreaded morning breath? Significantly reduced or gone altogether. And more importantly, you'll be tuning into your body's signals instead of silencing them. Bad breath is not just a surface-level issue. It's your body whispering that something deeper needs attention. Listen carefully. Start with simple steps. Scrape, cleanse. Awaken your system from the inside out. Your body already knows how to heal. You just have to help it. So there you have it, fresh breath champions. These simple habits can make a world of difference, not just for your mouth, but for your overall confidence and well-being. Remember, bad breath isn't just a nuisance. It's your body trying to tell you something. Listen to it, respond with care, and you'll be amazed at the changes. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Earthluxe for more tips that help you live, feel, and breathe better. Naturally. Stay fresh, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next video.